IKEA measuring tape hack, one of the top 10 items in my everyday carry list. This is so useful it cannot be ignored. It's free, it weighs nothing, costs nothing, and has multiple uses. This with this are like bread and butter. Welcome back, my friends. For today's build you need 3 simple items. A measuring tape from your local hardware store. Mine from IKEA. It just happened to be there. Bought some furniture. Some clear tape and a pencil. That's it. Those are the main essentials. Everything else is extra. So let's start building. Okay, so you gotta be very careful when you stitch it. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay, after you've clear taped all of it, just do the other side. It helps if you stick it in place from now and then. And there we go. There you go. Nice, tight. It's really strong and it's also waterproof, which is a huge advantage when you're outside. Okay. This little hole right here is the actual hack. This is why we made it. You'll see. This is all you need. It's enough. Now take our centimeter and roll it up. There you go. Take your pin, put it here. Just stick it in there, just like that. Grab an O-ring, put it over. There you go. I cannot stress out just how many uses this little thing has. Let me show you. Let's see what we can do with it. This is exactly 1 meter. It's sturdy. If you wanna measure out 1 meter, do this. Straighten out your arm. If you keep your fingers up, keep your hand straight, up until my right arm, there's exactly 1 meter. None more, none less. Now I know exactly what 1 meter is, even if I don't have this with me. If you go fishing and you have a 4 meter pole, you don't need to stretch out the whole pole. Use what you know. You know that from here to here it's 1 meter, and you do 1 meter, 2 meters, 3 meters, 4 meters, exactly. You know that from here to here you have exactly 1 meter. Again, if you want to measure your cordage, you can measure it the same way. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The best hack for this is, I'll show you right now. Let's say you want to make a stool out of this plank, but you need to make it round. If you want to do circles, measure your board. So it has 40 centimeters. So I know that 20 right about here should be the center. Okay. You do, here we have again 40. So there we go. That's the center. We know that that one is the center. This is the hack right here. You take your pin out. 20 centimeters. If you want to make a complete and perfect center, when you have 20, you just push your die in, push it in. Okay, that's what you do. And then your hole here, you put your crayon and you do this. Whoops. And there you go. One perfect circle. You can do it with anything. The best part for it is that you can do any length. If you want small circles, you put the pin here. If you want bigger circles, you extend. So you can use this one to round your corners on every table. I always have this with me. This and this, they go well together, let me tell you. You can use your folding saw and go around and around and build your stool. You can find the center of the table. It has 90, so 45 centimeters. I have 45, so around about somewhere around about here is the center. 45. You measure top to bottom, let's say 50 approximately, so 25 here. So here exactly, that's dead center of the table. If you want to round the corners of the table, push the pin on 45 exactly in the center, place your pin in the hole and around you go. There we go. As you can see, you have a really nice rounded corner. You can do big circles, you can do small circles. This has really many uses. There you go. Weighs nothing, costs nothing, many uses. The ability to go in the bush and have a measuring tape with you at zero cost is simply great for me. It's super. Smaller circles, no problemo. Yeah. There you go. Perfect circles every time. Then just use your folding saw and you're good to go. Like and subscribe.